but I'll be answering if Disney Plus can be put in Spanish. Yes. The first thing you have to do is to go on their site and under your username click on Edit Profiles. Then click on your profile. Then click on App Language. Here just scroll until you see the Spanish. Click on it and everything will be on Spanish. If you want Spanish subtitles, then you can just go on a TV show or a movie, and in the top right corner you can see settings. Just click on it, and under the audio you can put Spanish or in the subtitles. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.